This is the demonstration for BA 250 for Excel project 1.1b. As before, you will find our actual Excel projects in the Microsoft Excel menu button in our course homepage. You open this up to access 1.1a. Now we'll be looking at 1.1b. This part of the project, in this part of the project, we're going to create a histogram. We're going to use the given data in 1.1b to calculate the appropriate number of classes, the class interval. To do this and make it a bit easier, we're going to first run the Descriptive Statistics tool. This will find us our min, our max, the total number of observations, as well as the other descriptive statistics measures that we've become familiar with. We have to do some manual things, as we talked about in class. The first thing we need to do is figure out how many classes we want to sort the data into. The next step, we're going to have to then figure out the class interval, and then finally we're going to manually identify the upper and lower class limits. Then we can use Excel underneath the data analysis tool. We can use it to run a histogram, and then it's going to do all the counting and the analysis work. So I'm going to open up our demonstration data. In this case, I have a series of random integers here. The first thing, as discussed in the project, is to run the Descriptive Statistics tool. For that, we're going to go to our Data ribbon, Data Analysis, click on our Descriptive Statistics tool. We're again going to include all of our data. In this case, we've got just around, in fact, I believe it's 500 different data points. To go through and sort through this to find the min, the max, and how many there are would be problematic. So my input range has been selected. I did include the label this time. My output range tells me where do you want to put, or where do we want to put the results. Put them here in our spreadsheet. And then I want to click on Summary Statistics. This will give us some of those measures that I talked about. It then ran through the data, found the 500 different data points, and in this case we also have the maximum and the minimum, as well as the mean and other descriptive measures. In this case, because I've got 500 different data points, I'm looking at that rule that 2 to the k is greater than n, which is essentially saying we want our classes to be the exponent on 2 that's going to get us above our count. 2 to the 8th, of course, is 256. 2 to the 9th is 512. Therefore, we want to construct a histogram here, or frequency distribution, with 9 different classes. The next thing that we need to do is go in and actually then calculate our interval. So we need to put in the equal sign and tell Excel that we want to do a calculation. Our highest minus our lowest value, then divided by our number of classes, which was 9. This tells us that our interval is 0.6 and change. Here, because we're using Excel, we can actually just start at the lower class limit, our lower class limit to start exactly at our minimum value. We're going to set that minimum value, and then we're going to figure out this first class, which is going to be our minimum value plus our calculated interval. We want our next class to leave where, our second class to leave where the first one left off, if you will. And then we can simply put in an absolute reference to make sure that that interval stays in the same location as we do the calculations. Again, I'm going to put this create this absolute reference by typing in the dollar signs, or in this case, on the PC, hitting the F4 key. Now as we copy and paste this down, creating these classes is a fairly simple act. Now we can simply copy and paste. We want to make sure that our maximum value and our upper class limit on our last class line up. Now we're going to actually use the data analysis tool within Excel to create the histogram, and along the way the frequency distribution. I'm going to click on the histogram function and then populate the fields. My input range, now I'm not going to include the label on the column, but my input range is all of my data. My bin range, I want to select the upper class limit on my bins that I created. Again, I did not include the label. My output range says where do you want to put the results. We'll keep them here in the same spreadsheet, give it a location. Some other things that we can do, let's make sure that we chart the output, and we can do a cumulative percentage line as well. Now what Excel has done is very quickly then found the frequency within each bin that these values appear, and it's also created a histogram that we can resize and then start to get a clear view of what's happening with the data. And no analysis is required for this part of the project. That concludes project 1.1b for BA 254.